Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The hands-free blade coffee grinder represents a shift in the traditional design of entry-level coffee equipment by focusing on automation and portability. At its core, this device is a cordless electric mill designed to simplify the process of breaking down whole coffee beans into a usable consistency for brewing. Unlike standard blade grinders that require a user to maintain constant physical pressure on a button to keep the motor running, this model introduces a hands-free operation. This is achieved through an integrated timer system that allows for a set duration of grinding without manual intervention. Priced at approximately $42, it occupies a space in the market for those who want the speed of an electric motor without being tethered to a kitchen wall outlet. It is a compact appliance that attempts to bridge the gap between the convenience of high-end automatic machines and the affordability of basic blade mills. By removing the power cord and adding a dedicated timer, the device addresses two of the most common friction points in home coffee preparation. The build and design of this grinder are centered on safety and modularity. It features a triple lock safety mechanism which ensures that the high-speed blades cannot be activated unless the grinding bowl and the outer lid are perfectly aligned and secured. This is a critical design choice for a device intended for travel and home use alike, as it prevents accidental starts during assembly or cleaning. The exterior is typically constructed from durable plastics and metals to keep the weight low for portability, while the internal grinding components are made of stainless steel. One of the most significant design features is the removable grinding bowl. In many traditional blade grinders, the bowl is permanently attached to the motor base, which makes cleaning difficult and increases the risk of getting water into the electrical components. By making the bowl a separate piece, the user can easily wash it under a tap or even swap it out. The unit is powered by a 1500 mAh rechargeable battery which is housed in the base of the machine. This battery capacity is designed to handle multiple grinding cycles on a single charge, making the footprint of the device entirely self-contained. When looking at how it performs, the most notable feature is the adjustable 5 to 30-second timer. Because blade grinders do not have adjustable settings for the distance between blades, they instead rely on time to determine the fineness of the grind. A 5-second pulse will result in a very coarse texture suitable for cold brew or French press, while a full 30-second cycle will produce a much finer powder that can be used for drip coffee or even certain types of espresso. The motor is engineered to spin the stainless steel blades at a high velocity, creating a vortex that pulls the beans into the cutting path. Because it is hands-free, the user can simply press the start button and walk away to prepare other parts of their morning routine, such as heating water or setting up a filter. This automation matters because it provides a level of consistency that is often hard to achieve with manual pulsing, where human error can lead to uneven results. Furthermore, the cordless nature of the device means it can be used anywhere from a small apartment counter with no available outlets to a remote campsite. The 1500 mAh battery provides enough torque to handle even harder light roast beans, which are notoriously difficult for underpowered motors to crack. This specific grinder is best suited for a few distinct types of users. First, it is an excellent tool for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Those who enjoy camping or road trips often have to choose between pre-ground coffee, which loses flavor quickly, or bulky manual grinders that require significant physical effort. This cordless mill offers a middle ground, providing fresh grounds with the push of a button, regardless of whether there is an electrical grid nearby. Second, it is well suited for individuals with limited kitchen space. The lack of a cord means it can be stored in a drawer or on a high shelf and brought out only when needed without the hassle of managing tangled wires. It also appeals to people who use a variety of spices in their cooking. Because the bowl is removable and washable, it can transition from grinding coffee beans in the morning to pulverizing peppercorns or cinnamon sticks in the evening without the flavors bleeding into one another. Finally, it is a practical choice for those with mobility issues or arthritis who might find it painful or difficult to hold down a stiff power button for 30 seconds at a time. In conclusion, the hands-free blade coffee grinder offers a balanced mix of convenience and flexibility at a price point of around $42. While it provides a significant upgrade in terms of ease of use and portability compared to traditional corded models, it is important to remember the inherent limitations of blade technology. Blade grinders by nature produce a less uniform grind than burr grinders, which can affect the nuance of the flavor in the final cup. However, for the casual coffee drinker or the frequent traveler, the benefits of a rechargeable battery, a hands-free timer, and a removable bowl often outweigh the need for professional-grade precision. It is a versatile tool that prioritizes the user experience, making fresh coffee more accessible in environments where it was previously difficult to achieve. The design is a thoughtful response to the needs of modern consumers who value their time and their counter space just as much as their morning caffeine. It stands as a reliable option for anyone looking to simplify their daily routine while maintaining the ability to brew fresh coffee anywhere they go. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.